Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to connect MySQL database with Power BI. So first here, opening this MySQL workbench. MySQL workbench. Then here you can see root is the user or server localhost and the port is 3306. Let's give here the password. So this is now connected there. Here you can see the bunch of schemas are available and these tables are there. Now the next is let's search here Power BI desktop. So Power BI desktop is now opening and there you should get this. So here you should click here get data from different sources and here searching MySQL. So MySQL you need to select and click on this connect. So in MySQL here you get the information this connect require more additional component to be installed before can be used. So let's click on this learn more and here you need to use the MySQL connector. So this available for Windows, that's fine. Click on this download and no thanks. So this is now all done here. Let's install this. So click on this next, and now you need to click on this install button. So this turn here. After that, let's close this and click on OK. And if you go or let's close this and now opening again Power BI or desktop. So Power BI desktop and here let's get from other. Here MySQL is there. You need to click on this connect. So this time there is no any problem. Server that's going to give you local host. Database I already discussed. Here you can see this Sakila. You can give this word. So going to give you Sakila. And now click on this OK. Use the current credential. That's fine. So this is not working. Let's use there. So giving their root user and give their password. Now click on this connect. So Windows there is problem. Let's go on this database and now here giving the username and the password. Here localhost. That's fine. Click on this connect. So by clicking this database here, this is now MySQL that's successfully connected with the Power BI. Thereafter, let's use the actor. Here you can see actor table. You have two options, load. So when you click on this load, so this come into Power BI desktop. And here you can see this is the table view. This is model view. This is here DAX. There you can write the query. And here you can track. So suppose here or checking this. So here employee ID that's come there. Let's include the first name. Then you can see here some of actor. This total is 500. This all. 1 second. And now you have this different diagram you can use there. After that, let's go on this get data. From here, there you can also connect with the MySQL. So let's give here local host database giving Sakila, and this is here advanced section. If you want, then you can give this. Let's click on this OK. Here let's select your city. So this time I'm going to use the transform data. So when you click on this transform data, Power Query Editor that's come there. Then you can use this all features. Then you can remove the rows if you want. Remove the rows top. So let's give you top 5 rows going to remove. So here that's removed. Or filter, so many options are you can use. So this is how we can connect MySQL database with Power BI. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.